In today's video, I will teach you how to turn any car into a mini car using GIMP. Let's get started. First, select the car image that you want to shrink. Now, open GIMP and create a new canvas. Then import your car image by going to File, then open as Layers. In the Layers panel, right-click on the car image layer and select Duplicate Layer. Then rename the duplicated layer to Mini Car. Then use the Scale tool from the toolbox. Click on the Mini Car layer and resize it proportionally to shrink the car. Then adjust until you're satisfied with a smaller size. Now, click the eye icon next to the Mini Car layer to hide it. Then select the Rectangle Select tool from the toolbox. Then draw a selection around the rear wheel, starting from the edge of the taillight down to include the entire rear wheel. Now press Ctrl-C to copy the selected wheel, then press Ctrl-V to paste it as a new layer. Then name this layer Rear Wheel. Lower the opacity of the rear wheel layer to about 70% to align it. Then position the wheel so it fits naturally between the car's door and the rear grille on the mini car layer. Then bring the rear wheel layer's opacity back to 100%. Then right-click on the rear wheel layer and select Add Layer Mask. Then choose the white full opacity option and click OK. Then set black as the foreground color. Then use a soft edge paintbrush to paint on the layer mask, erasing the unnecessary areas around the wheel while keeping the wheel arch panel intact. Now select the mini car layer, then use the blur tool to slightly blur the layer for consistency with the wheel. Then apply the same slight blur to the rear wheel layer. Then hide the mini car layer. Then use the Rectangle Select tool to select the front wheel of the original car. Then press Ctrl-C to copy, then Ctrl-V to paste the front wheel onto a new layer and name it Front Wheel. Then hide the original car layer, then unhide the mini car and the wheels. Now, position the front wheel similar to the rear wheel's process. Then add a layer mask to the front wheel and mask the unnecessary areas. Then apply a slight blur to the front wheel as done previously. Now, hide all layers except the original car layer. Then use the Free Select tool or the Lasso tool to select the air intake area. Then copy the air intake selection and paste it on a new layer named Air Intake. Then position the air intake on the mini car layer similarly to how you did with the wheels. Now add a layer mask to the air intake and mask the unnecessary parts. Then apply a slight blur for consistency. And for final touches, merge all layers related to the mini car, excluding the original car layer, by right-clicking and selecting Merge Visible Layers. Then rename the merged layer to Mini Car. Then adjust the canvas size to fit the new mini car by going to Image, then select Fit Canvas to Layers. Then go to Filters, Enhance, then Unsharp Mask. Then adjust the settings until you achieve the desired level of sharpness. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.